You guys already know this is the Android head unit.
Now we can get to the bottom of the head unit. Ooh, nice. That's the 10 pin. That's the main business.
You guys already know this is the Android head unit. This one's for the Toyota Camry, and wow, look at the box, very clean, white on like a little black font. Got nice graphics right here with the navigation, steering wheel. What do you think? He likes it. He likes it. Anyways, we're gonna do a quick unboxing right here, real quick, one-handed. So stay tuned. Boom. First thing we see is this nice foam. Ooh, even little square right here. What do you think about that? Very cool. And then we have the head unit itself wrapped in this nice plastic. So it got like layers of foam, so it's good protection. Of course, you want to have good packaging because some spots are like right here are exposed and could chip during shipping, but looks like everything's good here. Ooh, let me pop this bad boy out. Yeah, everything looks good here. You have your harnesses, and then you have the head unit itself. What's this bad boy right here? More harnesses, wires, and whatnot. Now, the reason why we're doing this today is we have a Toyota Camry coming in. We actually already did a video on this one, but this one, he wants Android Auto, Apple Carplay, so we're gonna have to upgrade it. So with this latest and greatest, we'll be able to do that.
We got the head unit. First thing we need to do is remove the trim pieces. Of course, you can use a plastic trim removal. We're just using our hands. We just pull it off. You can see there's a bunch of retaining clips right there. And the whole thing, is there a button right here? Oh no, it's just, oh yeah, there's some kind of light. So make sure you unclip the light. Bam. Very similar to, is that a fake speaker hole? There's no speaker right there. Yo, I mean, this is the base model, so maybe the premium models got that. Very easy. And then you can see we are already at the top. It's a 10 mil, and then we got another 10 mil right here. So let's get some 10 millimeters and start unbolting that. All right, so we removed the two 10s. We're gonna put it somewhere safe. So these are the 10 mils. I usually just put it in the little cup holder, and now we can go to the next step. So we're just gonna pop out this lower trim piece now. It's just held down by clips, if you can show that off. So little 4 clips right there. Easy way to clean it too, because sometimes this gets really messy. And then you also have the Phillips head drives right here and here. So we're gonna remove those. Removing those screws. You remove the 2 screws right here. You're gonna have to pop this trim off. It's just held by clips, but with the shift knob, you need to put this in neutral or sport or whatever you need to do to get this thing to wiggle out. Make sure your emergency brake is on, and we're gonna have to slowly just pry open. No, remember there is a shift boot. Let's see if we can just unscrew this. Oh wow, it unscrews like that. Can you? But then, is there a way to not make it so it screws the whole thing? We're just gonna, let's put it all the way down here to S, if possible. And then we're just gonna have to move this out of the way. We're not gonna fully remove it. Can you twist it? So just 4 screws. So we're just unscrewing all 4s. There's one right here. There's one right here, and then there's 2 on the opposite side. And you're gonna have to take this whole cubby out. So it's annoying that this little shift crap is here, but it's the best we can do. Can you do your best to pull it out? I already did the top one, so it's gonna be a huge fucking fiesta. Oh, the bottom, just the bottom cubby. Whole thing should come out. This thing. Excuse my French. And then there should be some clips for the cigarette lighter, USB, and aux. So we're unplugging everything that's on the back of that. Right, so we removed the big old cubby. It's a lot bigger and deeper than you thought. And yeah, here are the better look at the 2 cables. Now we can get to the bottom of the head unit.
the OEM head unit.
Because then that reveal, after you remove the cubby, you can see the two 10s, and that's gonna be what's holding the rest of the head unit in. So I'm gonna just unscrew the 10 here. It's a satisfying sound. No, we still have this really ridiculous thing right here. Just pull out the head unit. You want me to get a towel or something so we don't scratch the trunk? Oh, can we use this? Yeah. Just so because there's metal brackets, and this piece we're not replacing. Wait, pull it up again. I just want to cover your trim pieces right here. Then we're gonna be unplugging everything from the back. So they're held by little clips. These are the very familiar Toyota style, and this is just the back of the head unit. If you guys want to see. Yeah, you can't see it from your angle. So I'm just gonna unplug it, and we're gonna keep going. All right, so welcome to the present time. This head unit, so all this stuff is removable right here. We're able to put the new head unit, the ROADNAVIs. So it's gonna be amazing. Check this out. We have these plugs right here. Let me just go over it if we haven't gone over it yet. We have, this is the antenna for FM and AM. This one is the 28 pin from Toyota. Generally it carries steering wheel controls, sometimes backup camera, reverse signal, trigger. Same with this one. This one looks like it could maybe be carrying the backup camera too, or the steering wheel controls. So Toyota likes to change it up over the years, so it makes it kind of a pain in the butt for compatibility. This is your main wire right here. You got the 10 pin. This controls everything pretty much. The main source of power, accessory power, ground, front speakers, left and right, of course, illumination. Sometimes this one actually has the reverse camera too. But yeah, it's only 10 pins, so you can't have everything in this one wire. This one right here carries the reverse speakers. Not reverse speakers, the rear speakers, left and right, 6 pin. This right here is an add-on we just did for the USBs, but you're pretty much gonna have these 5 harnesses that you want to adapt to, and we'll get to that right now. Now ROADNAVI provides us with a pretty nice thing right here, so whew. We're gonna hook it up. It has all this CAN bus stuff right now. Actually, can we have my my assistant right here actually plug it in? So he doesn't really install Android head units. I'm just gonna make it so it's pretty easy for anybody, because they're really one size. Like you can only fit one plug with a certain size, so you can't mess it up. As you can tell, like you're like, wow, this does not look like 5 plugs, right? There's more than 5 plugs here, 2, 4, 7. They do that for compatibility. Again, like I told you. Oh, look at that. It's really out of overexposed. Check this out. So plug in what you can, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's start with these white ones first, because those are the main ones.
This one looks like it goes up here.
Ooh, nice. That's the 10 pin. That's the main business.
6, I suppose.
Yeah, 6 pins, but it does look like 8 because of the 4x2 layout, but it's missing 2. That's for the antenna for FM AM.
Easy.
Easy enough. Oh, there you go.
Jeez.
It's just like a USB. So, do we have like 5 of them plugged in, or we're missing? We're missing that 28 pin, right?
Yeah.
Which is that one right there.
Oh, okay.
There you go. Okay, maybe.
All right. All right. This guy works out. All right.
And then it also has the included USB. But there you go. So we have the USB right here.
We're gonna plug one right here. We're done. Yeah. And there you go. That's the setup we have right there. Five plugs plus the USB external. This one we are not using. Yeah. So then we're gonna plug in the ROADNAVI unit and see how it goes. Has all these nice wires, and it shows a wiring diagram of every single wire if you want to wire it manually. But with this, you don't have to worry about all this. Everything's plug and play. So everything we plugged in here, you pretty much just plug this bad boy right here. And you're pretty much golden. It works first, so I'm gonna just get it in a general location, and if you can start the car, or not start the car, just put the car in accessory mode, see if it works. Ooh, that's a relief. So we're just checking audio. Everything works so far in terms of sound. We got wire, we got the radio right now. Touch buttons work, and the steering wheel controls work yet? Because we might have to plug in the steering wheel controls. Negative. So we have to do the steering wheel controls, and we're gonna go through all that. We're just going through the menus and make sure everything works, which is good. Next thing we should try is Bluetooth. So let's get that Bluetooth going. So we got BT6012, and then on our phone we see it. I think we're trying to pair it.
Yep, pairing.
Is it paired? Damn, S10 right there, boom. And we do have this protective film, so if it looks a little dull, it's because we have that going on right now. All right, so we have everything plugged in. We're just gonna shoehorn everything back inside, and we can go through the interface in more in depth. But right now we have it installed kind of like that. Check it out. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And yeah. All right, everyone. So we have the ROADNAVI installed here. Look at it. It's so beautiful. I know it's a little bit hard to see. Can we remove this? Can you do the honors?
Let's do it.